Speech.
Nashville to backup drive-in cases was stolen.
Generating.
So now we'll know what Retardant's Deathstroke is after.
Generating. There are a billion people in here. Deathstroke might have to go after all of them.
Hey, what about that one?
Generating.
Named Lindsay, Sulivan worked as a mechanic at Faster Space in Keystone. She somehow got the power to mechanically fix anything she was fired after her. Boss called her. Do you think Deathstroke going after her
Generating.
is working on something big like a Wishin?
Generated by revolt. Exactly. Deathstroke needs Simone to help him build it. We need to find Lindsay.
That's going to be hard calls. According to this, Lindsay Sullivan went off the grid entirely. No one's seen her in years.
Generated.
We have to find her before Deathstroke does.
Generated by. I'll call Clisco to see if he can use the Argus satellite to track the glob for her. Generated.
That's some JJ. I am going to be having dinner with his parents, so I got to go by.
You want us to find and capture women. Metahuman. And Lindsay Sulivan. Why?
Because she has power. I need to finish the Rita.
Generated. Where will we eat and find her?
This where you will find her.
Generate.
How did you do that? You had your secrets. I have mine now. Bring her to me.
This one's going to be hard to fix when it just needs more juice.
Generate.